thank you for watching the Introtech video presentation regarding the blood component detector. Here, I'll give you a brief presentation, discuss some of the various common configurations, as well as give you a live demonstration of the Introtech blood component detector. The blood component detector is a device that's designed to detect blood component in clear medical tubing, such as this. There is a whole host of applications that need, if not require, the detection of trace amounts of blood in clear medical tubing for various types of media. One particular application that comes to mind is hemodialysis, where in the event of a membrane rupture, there would be consequent blood leak into the dialysate, whereas the blood component detector will be able to detect and report that accordingly. The main benefit of this technology is that it is non-invasive, where we do not need to come in contact with the media to detect the presence of blood. Here we utilize the optical principles of transmittance and Beer-Ambert's law to do the primary blood detection. We transmit ultraviolet light transverse to the tube, where Beer-Ambert's law permits the absorption of this ultraviolet light by the red blood cells. There are several key configurations. One, which is standalone electronics. Two, which is RS-232 terminal mode, and the third one, which would be an integrated design, which I will show you now. This is the standard electrical interface connection, where you can see we have the main PC board here, and we have the sensor head plugged in here. The main board is powered by 5 volts, through the electrical interface cable, and you can see there are several other electrical connections that are made here. You have a self-test and a zero, which I will discuss with you in a short while. Here is the blood component detection output. The output is normally low for no blood and toggles high for the presence of blood. This is the configuration for terminal mode, very similar to the standard electrical interface. However, there is a third connection that is made here for an RS-232 cable. Here again you have the sensor head plugged into J3, you have your power supply connection, and several other connections made as well. The third and final configuration is the design integration mode, where we would provide you all the information necessary to be able to populate your main board with the electronics that drive and operate the blood component detector. This is the most elegant of all the configurations, would represent the most economical and the most space-saving configuration as well. This is the sensor head, and this is the interface board for the sensor head.